Hey guys, so what is your football meal for tonight? Well, tonight, I say tonight because my Ravens play tonight. And I'm going to have some cranberry beans with smoked turkey. Tell me I'm country it up. Telling me I'm country. I started to get pintos, but I like these as well. And you know I got my good crock pot here to cook up everything. I'm just going to do half of them. Okay, turn around a little bit. Not bad. All right. So they'll cook. They should be ready by the time my game come on tonight. Enjoy your Sunday and your football day. Down South Gardener signing off.